Hi, this is Quantribe. Welcome to my channel. So you're probably familiar with screeners in TradingView. The screener is a very useful tool that allows you to filter your stocks or your coins and to get only tickers which satisfy certain conditions and have good trading opportunity at the moment. So TradingView screeners are pretty powerful. If you go to the filters, you can find quite a lot of interesting stuff here. And here in technical, you can find quite a lot of technical indicators already pre-built for you. So you can pretty simply use them to filter your stuff. But problem is that if you need something different, it's become almost impossible. Because you have, for example, exponential average 200 and 30 and 5, but if you want something in between, you already cannot use it. So this is a bit of a problem. So I created a way to do something like that in PineScript, and I want to share it with you. It's not extremely good, it's not super fancy, but it actually can work for some of you. So let's go and look at it. So here I am in my Pine editor, and let me explain you how does this stuff works. So first of all, you need a custom function. So this function is actually your filter. This function can be very, very complicated, but for now, just to show you this as an example, I use a very simple one. So just close more than open. So this function should output true or false. So it's very simple. Next, you need to list all your tickers you want to search for. And this is a bit of a problem here that TradingView cannot work with lists and normally with loops, so you have to do this stuff, quite a lot of stuff manually. And of course, TradingView is not kind of built for this kind of stuff, so it might be a bit slow, but if you have limited amount of tickers you want to track, probably this will work for you. So next, for every ticker, you create a variable and you get data for this ticker for a time frame you want. So I'm using 1 minute here just as an example, and here you just pass your custom function. And next you need to build your custom label. So first of all, I add a label header, and after that, based on my variable, I add another ticker to my label. And after that, I just plot it. So now let's look how it actually works. So let's edit the chart. And as I said, TradingView is not made for this kind of stuff. So just getting dozens symbols at the same time in one script might cause some time to load. But here you can see it's already loaded. So here how it looks. It's not super fancy, as I said, but it might work for you. It's very, very simple. So here you can see we have here a box with selected tickers, with tickers for which our condition is satisfied. And as you can see, they change kind of in real time. So in real time, TradingView calculates my function and my condition. As you can see, tickers appear and disappear from my list. So it actually kind of work pretty good. And it's quite simple to edit the script. Everything you need to do is just to change your custom function to something more complicated. Probably you want to check that, I don't know, moving average above another moving average. Maybe you have quite a big piece of code you want to calculate here. And of course you can work a bit more on this screener, and probably you can add some additional data, probably, I don't know, last price, probably performance for the last 5-10 days. Everything you can do with this kind of stuff. You need to define another function that will get your performance, for example, and after that you just need to add this to your screener text, screener label, and that's actually it. I will publish a code for this custom screener in my TradingView account, and I will leave link in the description. So I think that's all for my custom screener. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.